Hello everyone, it's Caribbean E. Welcome to the channel. Hope everybody just having an outstanding day and that you are in the best of health. Today I'm coming with another retirement perspective video. I look at a lot of people that's saving money now. They're not spending money like they used to because we've seen what the pandemic had done to the economy and how many jobs were lost. So people are stocking up on their food, they taking care of their business, they're not living crazy, throwing out money. I would hope not, okay? Because you got bills and responsibility to take care of. So, when people look at me and living in the Caribbean and looking at my past jobs and the things that I had to do to get here right now, I would truly say, you do not know my struggles. People today are very entitled. When they see you successful, they want your success. I said it because I was looking at this Kirk Franklin story, and I was watching how his son was so disrespectful to him, and he actually recorded the message so he put it out there so everybody can hear the conversation, discrediting his father. Now, I used to always hear the saying, if I brought you in this world, I can take you out because I'm your father. His son was very disrespectful. Kirk Franklin's son was very disrespectful to him. 32-year-old man really don't have a life, don't have a career. Always trying to make money. They was trying to get him on a talk show or do a podcast, and he wanted almost $60,000. Send me half now, half later. That didn't happen because he's broke. He wants to depend on his father's success. He was raised good, but now it's time for him to go out there and discover his own journey and stop being entitled, because you're not entitled to nothing once you turn the age of 18. So, people want free stuff for nothing. Get this video now, because it's going to be short, hopefully, but I'm going to say some sound things that you can think about and you can tell your kids. People want free stuff for nothing. People want to be like you, but will never ever pay the price that you had to pay to get to where you are today. Are you listening to me? They don't want to pay the price to get to where you are right now in your life on the way up. Whether you're in retirement, whether you're preparing for retirement, or wherever it may be. A nice house, a nice car, whether it's a motorcycle or truck. They see you going down the street and they think that you got all your stuff for free. No. You had to pay a price. So, when you pay the price of hardships that you had to endure, people really don't understand your journey. They just see you looking good. They just see you in a better place. But they don't know what you had to go through to get through where you are right now. They want to live like you, but simply refuse to get up early every morning, put on some boots, some gloves, and go to work and be successful and have some type of a life for themselves. Again, I'm talking a little bit about being entitled. Some hate college. They hate college. So there goes the education thing out the window. So they're sitting around doing other things. watching everybody else have the best life, and they just living from paycheck to paycheck, or not even getting that, or living off government services. Now, many refuse, or thousands are satisfied with poverty. They satisfied by living in the hood, up to no good. They're happy, they're content with living on broken down couches, barely making it, whether it's an EBT card or a credit card or whatever it may be, smoking weed, drinking. They're very, very happy. Can you imagine if the government would just cut them off right now and say no more welfare? Can you imagine what would happen inside the box of the USA? Can you just imagine what happened? Because they don't have welfare here in the Dominican Republic. I haven't seen it yet. They give you a little help and bring you some food, but I haven't seen the welfare system yet here. Not like it is back in the box. So, they're living in poverty, off of disability, and living from paycheck to paycheck. But I'm from the old school, and I'm from the school of hard knocks, that if you didn't get up in the morning and strap your boots on and go out there and make something happen for yourself, nothing did happen. And many hardships. Now, there is a price that one must pay to be successful. And the price is you're getting up every single morning and you got goals and you got agenda, and whether you have good days on the job or bad days on the job, you're trying to get somewhere in life. And for the most part, the ones that ain't successful in your family and you are the family will have the tendency sometimes will shut you out because you're not sharing your wealth with them because they decided to make some wrong moves that you made that they didn't make. Now you listen to me? You're raising kids that steals from you. You're raising kids that take your car while you go to sleep. And some of them do these things to you. Say things behind your back, bring confusion, and they will never come back and apologize. Because they don't care. But no one will never be able to destroy God's favor on your life. You just remember that after everything that I said, and it's the retirement perspective. No one will ever be able to destroy God's favor on your life. And look behind me. I'm on a tropical island living like a king. Because sometimes in life, for the most part, you got to go through what you got to go through to be something in life. So it's time for me now to enjoy my life, because I raised my kids. Now it's time for me to have my fun, because I've been through all of my hell and high water, and I refuse to get to retirement and be miserable. Do something great in your own life, then you can have a legacy and you can write your own story. So, in the meantime, between the time, always remember that life is to be enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscription, notification, thumbs up, so you can be up to date on our current videos. We got some good stuff coming out. We got some great, exciting news. But when the time comes, we'll share it with you this year. So, have a wonderful day. Enjoy your life, because life was always meant to be enjoyed. Have a good day. Stay safe.